The rope is fraying, Mom. We should replace it before we go sliding. I don't think this will hold. The rope is too frayed. Pull the rope tightly, Pippa, so the knot will hold firm during the ride. Pippa is doing her best to make the rope strong enough for both of us. Almost there. Just a little more. Got it! Is this angle right for the new rope loop? Yes, Pippa. That angle is perfect. Everything looks solid and ready for the snow hills. Pippa cannot wait to see how fast the sled will go tomorrow. Look how smoothly the sled glides over the snow now. It's perfect, Pippa. It is perfect, Pippa. The knot is strong because Pippa worked patiently. Toby deserves a little snack for being so patient. Let us go inside and make a small celebration feast. Pippa will mix the batter while Nora heats the pan. That is a wonderful plan, Pippa. The pan is heating up. Is the batter ready? Yes, the batter is smooth and ready for the pan. It looks like breakfast, even though it is afternoon. A celebratory treat is good at any time of day. Take this plate to the table, Pippa, and Nora will bring the rest. It is so warm and delicious. Thank you for making this with Pippa. Working together makes everything taste a little better, Pippa. Let us finish cleaning up. Tomorrow will be a long and happy day. Tomorrow will be so much fun with the fixed sled. The sun is setting behind the trees. It looks so beautiful. It is a peaceful end to a very productive afternoon. It is getting colder now that the sun is gone. Yes! Let us get the fire started and relax for the evening. Here is the rope, Nora. We fixed it together. Yes, you did a great job, Pippa. Everything is packed away safely for tomorrow. Everything is packed away safely for tomorrow. Everything is packed away safely for tomorrow. Pippa was very helpful today. Nora is proud of Pippa's work. Toby seems tired after such a long afternoon. Toby had a busy time chasing the sled around. Pippa is ready. It has been a perfect day. Pippa, Toby, and Nora are safe and warm inside now. Do you think the sled will be fast tomorrow? Pippa thinks it will be the fastest sled on the hill. A warm cup of herbal tea is just what Pippa and Nora need now. Pippa feels very happy that we fixed the sled together today. Nora feels the same. Spending time with Pippa is always the best. Everything is ready, so Pippa, Nora, and Toby can rest well for tomorrow. Good night, Mom. Pippa will dream about the snow hills. Nora will keep the fire low until morning. Sleep tight, Pippa. Pippa is tired, but Pippa is very happy today. Rest now. Tomorrow, Pippa, Nora, and Toby will wake early to enjoy the snow.